Hi all, Bentley here. Just want to show another mod I am installing on my 2024 BMW S1000XR. I recently cracked the glass on my cell phone and it actually fell off my bike. There will be a video to follow on that. However, the cost to repair that was almost 300 Canadian just for a cell phone. Which I found quite expensive. So I decided I'd better protect the glass on the TFT display, as I'm sure it would be very expensive to replace. And I went with this, the BMW display, TFT display protective glass. It's OEM, and it cost about $80 Canadian. With tax, probably about 90. So let's open this box up and see what we have in the box. It's got this fancy cloth BMW Motorrad label on it. Don't know why they need to do that, but anyway, let's open it up. And let's see what we have here. Pretty fancy packaging. Maybe they could do something with the packaging so that it's not quite so expensive. So we've got BMW Motorrad package here. So it looks like it's a microfiber cloth for cleaning off the screen, and it looks like there's probably an alcohol wipe and something else in there as well. We'll have to open that up later. I don't want it to get all dirty. And what else do we have here? We've got the glass TFT screen protector. And let's see what we have. So it's got a front, and which is marked as 2, and we have another label on the other side says 1, which is the back. So I take it that's the order you peel these off in when you're installing the protective glass. I'll put that back in there for now. And there's quite a large manual here, and it's in different languages, of course, and it gives you the installation instructions for installing it on the bike. So we'll continue in a little bit to show the installation part. So to install this TFT screen protector, we're going to take the wet wipe that came with the protector itself, and we're going to wipe off all the dirt and dust, hopefully, off of this display. Give it a good wipe. Try and get everything off of there. Okay, so once that's clean, we can take our microfiber cloth that came with the kit, and we will wipe this off and get it out of the package. So we're just going to take that and wipe off all the marks left by the wet wipe. And as you can see, it's pretty clean. There is another step where we're going to take a dust remover and just tap it on the screen. that should get everything off. We're going to do that right now. So the dust protector, just unpeel it from here, and it's a little windy here, so I'm just gonna go along, try not to press it on too hard, otherwise you get residue on the screen. Now we're going to remove the first label marked 1 back, and we're not going to touch the back of that. We're just going to try and get this centered. I'm going to use this little tab to sort of hang on to it, and we're on the bottom part. Looks like we're good there. You can adjust it a little here. Looks like we're pretty centered everywhere. And now we're just gonna press it on. So you just rub it. You'll see the color change where the air is. I'm gonna try and go from the middle to the edges. Get it on there. You can see it sort of sticking down by itself there. There's another air bubble there. You can pretty much see where they are. So looks like we've got that on pretty good. And now what we can do is peel off the front. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. I'm just going to take the cloth and make sure I don't touch anything with my fingers, mess it up. And I'm just going to slowly get whatever bubbles I see out of there. And you can just go along from the middle to the outside. It's looking really good here, so okay, that's it. Let's see what it looks like here. And it looks great. Anyway, that's how I installed the TFT display protector. Thanks a lot.